Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add multiple currency in Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to just go ahead and enable the currency selector in theme that you are using. Okay? So to do that, just go ahead and click on the online store section here at the left side of your screen and select themes. So once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the customize button. And once you've done that, just need to, let's just wait, click on the header section right here. So once you've clicked on the header section, what you need to do is to just go ahead and scroll down until you see the currency selector. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and check that. But as you can see, I don't have that option. That is because it is not available in some themes. Okay, and I am not sure about this one, but I think the feature is only available in some paid themes. Okay, but if you have that option, just go ahead and enable that one and then click on the save button. Okay, to save your action. So once you've done that, to add a another or new currency in your store, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the settings section here at the lower left corner of your screen and click on markets. Okay, so now as you can see already, I only have the peso currency or the Philippines currency. So to add more currency, click on add market right here and add countries slash regions. Okay, so just go ahead and choose any country or currency that you want. Okay, so for example, let me just go ahead and choose Thailand, click on done, and you need to make sure that you click on the save button again. Okay, so the market name, so just go ahead and type any market name. So you're just gonna go ahead and put sample. Okay, so now that is how you add multiple currency in Shopify. So just go ahead and check your shop or your store and you should see the new currency that you've added. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.